Flintstones. Eat the Flintstones.
Oh, excuse me, I gotta get right there. Yep, sorry, I'm so sorry, yep.
Well, what do you know? Del Griffith. I'm with American Light and Fixtures. I sell curtain rings. And you are?
Neil Page.
Neil Page, pleased to meet you.
Look, I don't want to be rude. I'm just not much of a conversationalist.
Oh, no. You know, the last thing I want to be is an annoying blabbermouth.
Right.
You know, nothing grinds my gear worse than some chowderhead who won't keep his trap shut. Do you ever watch 60 Minutes? In this 1987 classic, Neil Page and Del Griffith, two complete strangers, are forced into a journey of a lifetime.
When their Thanksgiving Eve flight is cancelled, Neil's frustration and desperation to see his family clashes with Del's geniality and desire for company.
Their journey reviews that. Despite their differences, both struggle reconciling with their emotions.
As a society, we need to raise awareness that it's okay to be emotionally vulnerable.
Because true friends won't judge you, and they will always help carry some of your baggage. Planes, Trains, and Automobiles by John Hughes. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yeah, we left New York and in flight they closed Chicago and we landed in Wichita.
God.
Oh, and on the plane there's this Del Griffith guy. I mean, God, it's like going on a date with a chatty Kathy Todd. Hey, what the hell? That's my bag.
I'm sorry. Neil?
Not you.
Here. Huh? Huh?
Yes, honey. I'll be home as soon as possible. All right. Love you. Ugh.
Hey, Neil, a little trouble on the home front.
What, excuse me?
I got a model. Like your work. Love your wife.
Yeah, y'all remember that. So what's the flight situation?
Oh, simple. You know, there's no way we're taking off from here tonight.
Shit.
Did you not book a room?
I know. All the rooms are booked by now.
When we arrived, you called home. I called the Braideswood Inn. You know, I have an idea. If you don't mind a little snoring, you could bunk with me. Blue of Kentucky, shine on the one who's gone and left me blue. You want to take a shower?
No thanks. Oh my God! No! Okay, no. No. You know what? No. I was on my way home to spend a nice holiday with my family, and instead I'm in a hotel with a stranger.
You know, you're not a very tolerant person.
Yeah, well, who talked my ear off on the plane?
And who told you to book a room? Out of the goodness of my heart. God, you're an ungrateful jackass.
You're no saint. I mean, come on. Didn't you notice on the plane when you started talking, eventually I started reading the vomit bag? I mean, come on. Didn't it give you some sort of clue?
You want to hurt me? Go ahead. Think what you want about me, but I'm not changing. 'Cause I like me. My wife liked me.
Look, I'm sorry. You know, I've just been spending way too much time away from home. No, I'm not gonna spend Thanksgiving in Wichita.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I haven't been home in years. Oh, it's a figure of speech, you know. I'm away so much. It's like I'm never even there.
I mean, how can we even get home?
No, we could get a rental car.
Fine. Could you not do that with the scene?
Yeah, sorry, do you want to sing a song?
Look, just sing whatever you like.
Flintstones. Meet the Flintstones. They're the modern Stone Age family. From the town of Bedrock. They're a page right out of history. When you're with the Flintstones, you'll have a gay old time! New. So, how's your wife doing?
Oh, good. You know, come to think of it, I don't think I've seen you call your wife.
Oh, well, you know, just because you didn't see me doesn't mean I didn't call her. We'll be in Chicago in 3 hours.
Oh, yeah, let's get to that train station.
So, where you headed?
Wilnet. You know, it's been a hell of a trip, but, you did get me home.
Next time we'll go first class, alright?
God, I hope there isn't a next time.
I know what you mean. This you?
Yeah.
You know, you're a great man, Neil. I'm sorry if I caused you any trouble.
Hey, it's fine. You have a nice holiday.
You too, Neil, give my love to the family.
Yeah, and say hello to your wife for me.
Yeah.
Whew, man. What did I do to get hooked up with that guy?
Well, what do you know? Dal Griffith. Yeah, I mean, I haven't been home in years.
You know, I don't think I've seen you call your wife. Wait a minute.
Well, Marie, once again, you were as right as rain. You know, I'm without a doubt the biggest pain in the butt. I meet a guy whose company I really enjoy, and I just went overboard. I smothered the poor soul. You know, I wish you were here with me right now, but I guess that's just not gonna happen.
Dal? What are you doing here?
Neil, just go home.
No, Dal, why don't you go home?
Neil, I'm fine. Just leave me alone.
Dal?
Neil, I'm fine. Trust me. Just go home. Neil,
Dal, why
I'm sorry.
don't
Can you
go
please just
home?
leave me alone?
Dal, why
Neil, just
don't
go
you
home.
go
I'm
home?
fine. Neil,
Dal,
just leave me alone.
Dal,
I'm
why
fine.
aren't you going home?
I can't. I don't have a home. You know, Marie's been dead for 8 years. I'm sorry. I think I'll just go in and say hi, but then I'll be on my way. I'll leave my stuff right here.
No. Come on. Okay.
Thanks.
I'm home. Honey, I'd like you to meet a friend of mine. This is Dal Griffith. Dal, this is my wife, Susan Page.
Nice to know you. Neil, no, I just wanted to thank you for letting me be part of your holiday, you know. I've always had a lot to be thankful for, but never more than right now.
Same here, pal.